Today I'll teach you how to paint a simple sunset landscape like this. Let's begin by using the wet on wet technique, wherein you will wet the paper using your flat brush and then apply the initial color, like any color that you think that would look good on your sunset, like probably yellow, brown, or orange. And then leave a spot wherein you will make it appear as your sun. So here I left the spot in the middle, so I was carefully not painting that area. And add some more colors to the horizon. And we can add some orange or brown. And then try to create a form for the sun. Oops, it feels like I feel like it's I have more paint, so what I will do here is to use a tissue or any paper towel to remove some paints by having it absorbed by the paper or the towel. Continue to create the silhouette for the sun and apply some more colors around and let it dry. Feel like you want to add some more colors or paint, you can just add some orange or reds or browns. You can just play. Don't be so serious about it. Waiting for the paper to dry, for the silhouette of the trees and the grass, I will use my paints or the remaining paints on my palette. So don't wash it off, you can still use that. So what I'm doing here is I am trying to put it on the other side using the brush. This watercolor paints are professional, so they're quite expensive, so I don't just wash them off. Since the paper is dry, let me now start with the ground using the dark paint. So use here sienna and the remaining paints that I have on the palette. And then start by putting some darker areas to the ground and littles of and some bushes, and using your round brush create some image of or imagination of some smaller trees. Brush, I'm now starting to create some image of the branches of the tree and the trunk. What I like about this brush is it's creating the real look of the veins or the trunk. So I'd like using this for these types of projects, or you can just use a simple round brush. some more like veins and add some more until you feel like it's you're done. So it's very easy. Just play around with your brushes. And now add the leaves using any brush or round brush or mop brush that you have. So to create more of the silhouette of the tree. And you're done. Just put some more um, as desired. Alright, we're almost done, and if you're able to learn something today, feel free to tag me on my Instagram account. That's the underscore art panda. So I want to see your works, and this is really basic, so I could reach out more people and teach you um, some of the things that I know that's really easy. And I hope you learned something today. Feel free to subscribe and view some more of my videos about painting and some of the tutorials. You have a nice day and continue to paint.